Hi. Okay, guys, welcome back. Welcome back to Marie's kitchen. Here I have some chicken breasts cut up and seasoned up to cook some curry chicken. Okay. Yes, my people, welcome back. Here I have some ginger and garlic to put in the oil. Put in the oil. And I'm going to add burn some curry in the oil also. But the curry is easy to burn, so I put in the garlic and wow, it's a nice aroma. Smelling so good, the ginger and I never normally burn the ginger with the garlic. I used to only burn the garlic, but I saw a video with a lady, Jamaican lady, burning the ginger and the garlic, and they were so saying it was smelling so good, and it is for real. So now I'm gonna add some curry to burn. Okay, that's enough. And it's easy. The oil is well hot, so don't want the curry to burn too much. Don't get overburned. Okay. So that's it. And I'm gonna cover after I spin it up for a few mix it up in the burnt curry. I'm going to cover and leave it to sweat. I won't add any water. I'll just leave it to sweat. So this is it. This is 2 large chicken breasts. I cut up small to do some curry chicken. Smelling so good with the ginger. This is a good one. I normally put ginger in my curry, but I always cut it up in it and cook it when I'm cooking it down. Season it up with it. But now I burn some of the ginger. Some is cut up in it also. So my people, it's a quick and easy one. As usual, you wash your chicken, cut it up and wash it with lime or vinegar or both, and you burn your curry. Jamaicans normally burn their curry before they put. You can season the meat with some, and then you burn some also and put it in. You get that nice color. So now I'm going to cover for it to sweat. So this is it. Let's put in the pot. That's what it looks like. So it's curry chicken breast. So curry chicken breast. Anyway, you see. Quick and easy. I'm gonna cover it, gonna sweat, and after it sweat and then that water cook back out in the meat, then I'll add a little water. Okay, this is it. Cover. Stay tuned. Alright. So I've added a little water because it's sweat and it dries out. So that is it. And now I'm gonna add some carrots and onion. Ginger and garlic is already in. Won't put any more, but that is it. And I'm gonna add a Irish or 2 Irish potatoes to this. So that is it. That's what it look like. And then I'm gonna cover and leave it to cook, to finish cook. So that's it. Curry chicken breast Yes, with carrots, onions, garlic, ginger. Yep, curry powder. Um, I use two Maggi cubes, and I use a little Cajun seasoning. Yep, and I'm going to add now a two Irish potato to make it. Curry without Irish potato is not curry. You know, we always add carrot and Irish potato to our curry, whatever curry chicken or curry goat, whatever we cook in curry. It tastes really good. Thanks guys for watching. Please share this video. Please give it a like. Please comment. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. I'm giving thanks to the returning subscribers for watching my video. Please do watch the video to the end. You'll learn something. Yeah, if you can cook, you'll learn to cook. It's very simple and easy. Yeah, and it's good when you can cook your own food. It's very, very good. So stay tuned. Okay, Marie in the kitchen. Here I'm checking my pot. Yes, it's done cooking now. This is my curry chicken. That's it. Curry chicken breast with my potato and my carrots. That is it. I want it to, I'm going to turn it off now because it's drying out. Don't want to add any more water. So that is it. Quick and easy. Curry chicken breast. Curry chicken breast. That is it. And over here, have some white rice. Steam some white rice. That's it. Stay tuned. Okay. Here, my friends, I just blended some carrot, ginger, and lime. That is it. Carrot, ginger, and lime. All natural. Yes. Just blended in this full carrot, ginger, and lemon. It's the yellow one, so it's lemon. So this is it. This is part of the cooking. Yeah. So stay tuned. That's it. Yay, all done. Curry chicken and rice. White rice, curry chicken breast, potatoes and carrots. Yeah, that's it. That's my dinner. Yeah. Stay tuned.